Are you curious about how to create an AI avatar of yourself and join the latest trend on TikTok and Instagram? In this video, you'll learn how to create your own AI avatar with Lensa AI, an easy-to-use app that allows you to make an artistic version of yourself using technology. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to impress your friends and followers with this amazing new trend, and become an AI avatar today. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and install the Lensa application on your iPhone. After that, open up the app. Then, in the bottom center of the screen, tap on the Magic Avatars button. After that, tap on Try Now. And now the app will show you a couple of examples of avatars that were created using AI technology. Tap over here to confirm that you are over 18 years old. After that, tap Continue. And now all you have to do next is select 10 to 20 selfies of yourself. So simply tap on this button and select those photos from your gallery. I'm just going to select some random photos to show you an example. After that, select your gender. And now, as the final step, you need to purchase the avatars because they say it takes a lot of computing power to create those avatars. So go ahead and choose any of these plans, and you'll get AI-generated avatars of yourself. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.